Welcome to Steinbeck Vineyards. I'm Cindy Steinbeck. My family has been farming on this property since 1921, growing grapes for about 30 years. We are large California farmers, but in this small tasting room, we just use 1% of our vineyards to make our Steinbeck wines. This old Jeep, I've been driving this since I was 8 years old, and it's been a part of our family since 1960. And this is what we use to do our tours, so you get to hear a little bit about the history of the area, my family history, as well as a little bit about growing grapes. The tours we do are called crash courses, and so they just couple together our passion for the land, the soil, and what we do as farmers of the large vineyard acres here in Paso Robles. Our family settled in Paso Robles, California in 1884, and this wine press is what they used for almost 50 years in making wine. They take the grapes, they put them into this center piece, they crank the crank and crush the grapes, they fall into this basket, the juice would free run off, and then this side is a press. So it actually took 4 people to operate this piece of equipment, and they made wine for almost 50 years using this wine press. We've got other pieces of our history in our little tasting room. I actually have a wedding dress from the 1860s that more than likely was worn by my dad's great-grandmother. And this dress has been preserved. It's now on display in our tasting room. We come on over this way and we see a lot of old family photos, not the least of which is my dad's great-grandfather who built the home in which I now live in 1921. And this was his shop, so we tore down the blacksmith shop and put this tasting room on its footprint. And then we come over this way and see another part of our history. Actually, a B-26 crashed on this property in 1956. My grandparents were in my home, and they watched this plane hit the ground and explode, and then they watched the parachutes come down. And in that, we've learned today that 2 of the 4 survivors are still living today, and we have this wine to commemorate that event. This Union Road wine trail has a tremendous history along with it. My family story goes that that American flag you see in the distance is the site of the B-26 crash that happened April 11th, 1956. My grandparents watched that plane hit the ground and explode. And as you might imagine, townspeople came out and looked at that wreckage. And as they looked at that wreckage, they'd pull off the side of the very narrow road and they'd get stuck in the mud. So my dad's job as a teenager was to pull those townsfolk out of the mud after they were finished looking at that crash site. This Union Road had been the historic Highway 41 that connected the coast to the Fresno-Bakersfield area. This road was literally built 2 Model A cars widths wide is all. And even in that day, my grandfather was wondering why they built the road so wide. So this road has many beautiful winding curves. Dad tells the story of trucks crashing on the curve that's just about a half a mile to the west of Steinbeck, where they would go too fast around the corner and the pigs or the cattle would shift or the hay would shift and the truck would crash and dump the load, and they had wild pigs, cattle, they had hay all the time on that curve that's Malloy O'Neill as well as Steinbeck.